Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Citi to transfer points to partners, complete guide step by step clearly. To register with Citi to transfer points to partners, start by visiting the official Citi website. Next, locate the login button at the top right corner of the home page. Enter your username and password in the designated fields. If you haven't registered yet, click on the register button to create an account. Fill out the registration form with your personal information, including your name, address, and social security number. Create a unique username and password for your Citi account. Review the terms and conditions, then check the box to agree to them. Click the Submit button to finalize your registration. Once registered, log in to your Citi account using your new credentials. Navigate to the Rewards section, which is usually found in the main menu. Select the option to manage rewards points. Here, find the option for transferring points to partner airlines or hotels. Check the list of available partners to see where you can transfer your points. Select the partner you wish to transfer points to and read the partnership requirements. Enter the number of points you wish to transfer and confirm your choice. Provide any additional information required, such as your partner account details. Review the transfer information carefully before proceeding. Finally, click the transfer button to complete the transaction. Keep an eye on your email for confirmation of the points transfer. Your points should appear in your partner account within a few business days. That completes the registration and transfer process with Citi. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.